Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify migration scripts with Prisma for mobile backend APIs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your terminal. Navigate to the root directory of your Prisma project. Ensure that your database connection is set up correctly in the .env file. Run npx prisma migrate status to check the current status of your migrations. This command will display a list of all migrations and whether they have applied successfully. Next, if you have new migrations to apply, run npx prisma migrate deploy. This will apply any pending migrations to your database. Now, to verify the migrations, start by accessing your database. You can do this using a database client like PostgreSQL or MySQL Workbench. Once connected, review the schema to ensure all expected changes are present. Next, run queries to ensure the data integrity has been maintained. You can also create test data to confirm that your migrations work as expected. After testing, return to your terminal and run npx prisma migrate resolve if there are any pending migrations you want to mark as resolved. This command allows you to indicate that certain migrations have been applied or need updates without rerunning them. Finally, clear your migration history if necessary by using npx prisma migrate reset. This step is optional and should only be taken if you wish to start fresh without previous migration records. Once verified, you can proceed to develop your mobile backend API confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.